To navigate to your issues, either click the Issues tab at the bottom of your project detail view, or use the navigation bar by going to Projects, Your Project, and selecting Issues. You can add an issue two ways. From the Issues grid view, simply start typing the title of the issue where it says Add New Issue and then hit Enter. Or you can also click the green Add icon at the top of the page, fill out the form, and click Save Issue when you're done. Now let's complete the issue details, which you can do in this form or in the grid view. The owner is responsible for resolving the issue. The short descriptive name is the only mandatory field for your issue. The description lets you add more detail about the issue. And the impact lets you add detail about the specific impacts. Note that as you complete the form, the issue setup checklist in the middle panel automatically completes itself, guiding you through the process. You can set the lifecycle state of the issue, which is set to created by default. Next, you can add tags to categorize your issue for easy filtering and reporting. Tags are common to all RAID items and can represent any aspect of your issue, such as the type of issue, affected stakeholders, suppliers, or other categorization that you might find helpful. Use this slider to rate the impact of the issue on a 100-point scale for prioritization. Here we can track the details of our resolution plan and the final resolution details if we have them. In response status, we can track whether our issue response is on track or not. The date resolved represents the date that we had final resolution. And once we have root cause identified, we can document that for later lessons learned. When you're done, don't forget to click the Save button. Although if you're editing in the grid view, simply hit Enter to save.